two cubes of edges. So we have two cubes here. We have cubes of edges 10 centimeters are joined end to end. Find the surface area. They're joined end to end. Find the surface area of the cuboid. So we have one cube and another cube, and this cube are joined end to end. So the resulting figure will be like this: one cube with another cube joined. Now the side of the cube is 10 centimeters. So here we have 10 centimeters. This too is 10 centimeters. Here too you will have, this will be 10 and this again will be 10. So the whole length will be 10 plus 10, 20 centimeters. So this resulting cuboid that we have here, this cuboid, the length will be 20 centimeters. The breadth will remain the same as the earlier, that is 10, and the height too will be 10 centimeters. Now we need to find the surface area. So we need to find the TSA. And if you recollect last year, the TSA of a cuboid was twice length breadth plus breadth height into length height. And you just put in your values. So you have 2, and here you have 20 into 10, because your length is 20 and your breadth is 10, plus breadth into height. So here is your breadth 10 and your height here 10, plus again your length is 20 and your height is 10. So that is 2. That's 200 plus 100 plus 200, and that would be 2 into 500, and that is 1000 centimeter square. For the next sum, we have 3 cubes, each of 5 centimeters, are joined end to end to form a cuboid. So we have one cube, second cube, and the third cube. Now these are joined to form a cuboid. So you have 1, 2, 3. Now the side in this case is 5 centimeters here. This is again 5 centimeters, and this is 5 centimeters. They're joined, and here you have 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and again 5 centimeters. So the total length of this cuboid is 15 centimeters. So the cuboid, the resulting figure is a cuboid with length 15 centimeters. The breadth remains the same, that is 5 centimeters, and the height remains the same, again 5 centimeters. We need to find the TSA, and the TSA is the same formula: 2 length breadth plus breadth height plus length height. And you put your values: 2, your length is 15, your breadth is 5, again your breadth is 5, the height is 5, your length is 15, and your breadth is 5. Here, so then when you substitute your values, then you'll multiply. You'll get 15 into 5, that would be 75, then here will be 25, and 15 into 5 is 75 again, and then you add 75, 25, 75, that will give you 175, and the answer becomes 350 centimeters square. Here we have again 2 cubes are joined end to end. and the volume is given, of course, 2 cubes of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the area and the volume of the resulting cuboid. So there is one cube, and again similarly there's another cube, and they are joined to give you a resulting cuboid. 1, 2. But in this case the side is not given. The volume is given as 64 centimeter cube. This volume is also 64 centimeter cube. So in the first case we need to find the side. So here we know volume of cuboid. The formula for volume of cuboid is side cube. So here the volume is 64, which is equal to side cube, and your side cube is 4 cube, so your side is now 4. Let's get back to the figure. So this side is 4 and this side is 4. So this entire side will be 4 plus 4, and that will be 8 centimeters. So when you want to find the surface area of this figure, it will be 2 length into breadth, breadth into height, length into height. Now when we go back here, we will find for this cuboid the length, for this cuboid now, here this cuboid, the resulting cuboid, we will see that the length is 8 centimeters, the breadth is 4 centimeters, and the height is 4 centimeters. You need to put your values. That is 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4. And here your answer will be 160 centimeters square. We are not done with the sum. We need to find volume 2. Now this is volume of cuboid. We learned last year formula length into breadth into height. We see our length is 8, our breadth is 4, and our height is 4. So we multiply that and we get the answer 128 centimeter cube.